Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 18 years. Which are the home remedies that you should never try on your skin? We all live in India. This is the home remedy capital of the world, I feel. So every time you have a pimple, your mother or your grandmother or your sister is telling you what to do with it. There are some things that I advise you never to try. Let's look at the top 5 things that you should never use on your skin. Let us look at number 1, acne treatments when you have acne. First thing that you should not do is try to put something which is irritating on top of pimple to help to dry it. The most common things I have seen patients use are baking soda, garlic, and they usually use toothpaste. All these are extremely irritant to the skin. They are going to cause a lot of burn to the skin, and you may end up with a pigmentation, so definitely no for these. Second thing which I have seen commonly is when you have skin tags or what we call as extra growths on the skin, and a lot of people always put either a lime, what we call the limestone, what they put on the skin, or they put garlic on top of the skin to help these to be burnt. Remember again, whenever you burn the skin, you are going to end up with something called a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And this is something which is going to cause a lot of damage to the skin on the long run. Third is the use of homemade scrubs, whether it is a sugar scrub, coffee scrub, walnut scrub, or a scrub which is made of something which is rough, for example a coarse rice powder. In Indian skin, especially the skin of the 4, 5, 6 skin types, what we call as the darker skin type, we have a tendency that friction, which is repeatedly applied, can cause a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So from my side, a definite no, because this is going to cause a pigmentation over the long run. The fourth treatment which I would ask you to avoid is anything which is tasting sour. So remember, anything which tastes sour like a lemon, tomato, sour curd, they all have actives, they have acids. And by nature, they act like an acid and they remove the protective layer of the skin. They damage the skin barrier. So if you apply it very often and then you go in the sun, you could again make your skin more dry. You could make it more prone for pigmentation and aging changes. So I would advise you to use this, but very sparingly. And fifth, very important, is that if you use any of these or you use something which has been recommended and you find a tingling sensation and your breakouts increase or your skin feels dry, remember that this treatment did not suit you. Remember, a home remedy is just that, it's a home remedy. So if you have a medical skin issue, it's always better to see a dermatologist.